The Apple Macintosh not only helped get all the day-in-the-life photographers to the right place on the right day, it was the heart of the professional system that turned the latest expedition into a published bestseller.
What's so great about the Macintosh is it never gets between us and our ideas. We can try a lot of different variations in a very short amount of time because the Macintosh is so fast and efficient. We can do the whole book on the Mac. We can do layouts, photocropping, typography, mechanical artwork, and it'll look just like it will when it's published. With the Mac, we can get more work done a lot faster because we have all the tools that we need. We have a complete professional publishing system right at our fingertips.